Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss about our next example regarding DFA. So let's start with our next example. So this is our next question, which is just opposite to whatever we have discussed into our previous classes. So this one was our previous question, and this question is just reversed from this question. So let's start with our new question. So we have to draw a DFA which always accept the strings that are ending with 0. So as usual, Q0 is our initial state, and the simplest DFA will be like this. If we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving 0, then we enter into a new state, and that is our final state. Let me encircle this with another color. So Q1 is our final state here, and if we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving 0, then we are entering into our new state, that is Q1. And if we are into the state Q0 and we are receiving 1, then we cannot enter into the state Q1, because we have to draw a DFA which accept the strings that are ending with 0 only. So if we are mentioning that after receiving 1 it entering into the state Q1, then it may end like this, and this is not possible according to our question. So in the state Q0 we are receiving 1, then we entering into the same state, that is Q0 itself. And if we are into the state Q1 and we are receiving 0, then we go into the same state again, because our string should be ends with 0 always. So if we are receiving 0 from here and we are again receiving 0 into the state Q1, then the string will look like this, and this will accepted by our DFA. So in the state Q1 and we are receiving 0, then we enter into the same state, that is Q1 itself. And if we are into the state Q1 and we are receiving 1, then we cannot say that it retraces its own path, because our string should be ends with 0, and if we do this, then our string may look like this, and this is not possible in this case. So what we can do, we can mention it like this: when we are receiving 1 into the state Q1, then we go into the initial state and the whole process will start again. So after receiving 1, when we are into the state Q1, we go into the initial state, and the whole process will start again. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching the lecture. We'll meet into the next lecture.